Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 19th of November 2020 and currently time is 9:49 AM. Now coming on to our today's trade, here you can see traders that we have taken a trade in Axis Bank with a 15-minute chart we are showing with a candlestick of 15 minutes, and let me explain you the strategy. What I have done here is traders that I have made a entry for the buy side. As you can see, I made entry when the high of 15-minute candle which was here was got break, and I have put in my stop loss below the low of first 15-minute candle. So it is simple strategy which we used yesterday, that we have to make an entry when it crosses the high of first 15-minute candle, and our stop loss will be below the low of first 15-minute candle. So you can see here traders, we took the entry. Here our risk reward ratio is 1:1, and we have taken 9 quantities for the buy side by maintaining our maximum risk appetite, that is for the 100 rupees. Okay traders, so now this trade is going on. Now we will see what happened in this trade. And traders, as you all know that today is Thursday, so we will also practice option selling strategy. Okay traders, so now coming on to the chart of Bank Nifty. So here is chart of Bank Nifty. Here you can see traders that I have drawn this resistance and support, and according to me the Bank Nifty should close today within this range only. If it happens, we will be working profit. Okay traders, so what here we will do is that we will sell option of call of 29,800 as this is resistance, and we will sell put of 29,000. Okay traders, and we will wait till the out of the money options become 0. So traders, I am opening my account of Semco where we will see the prices of options. So here you can see traders, so 29,000 put is currently trading with 13 rupees and 29,800 call is trading with 36 rupees. So traders, as we are doing paper trade and practicing it, so we will make our entry in the Excel sheets. Okay traders, so first we will sell 29,000 put at market price. So 29,000 put with one lot, that is 25 quantities. Now we are placing our order with 13 rupees. Okay, so our 13 price, that is market price, and our target will be 1. And traders, here our stop loss will be 30. Okay traders, and our trade entry time is 9:53 AM. So 9:53 AM. Traders, I am mentioning the time so that we can see in the chart if our stop loss was got triggered or not. Okay, and now second is 29,800 call. So 29,800 call with one lot, that is 25 quantities. We are selling at 44. Okay, so 43 it is. First trading with market price 43, and here our target is same. So what should be our stop loss? Here I am placing stop loss of 65. Okay traders, and our time at which we have took the entry is 9:54 AM. So 9:54 AM. So traders, we have taken entry in option selling. Since we are doing paper trade, so we have taken entry in Excel sheet. We are practicing it, so no problem in that also. So traders, we have taken entry in option selling strategy, and also we have taken entry in here 15-minute candlestick strategy. Okay traders, so it is now performing and we will see what happens. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video, and when it will show some momentum or hit our target of anyone or target or stop loss, I will update you. So now I am pausing the video. Traders, it's now 3:22 p.m. and you can see that our stop loss has been triggered in the trade of Axis Bank which we took today. So no problem, we have booked loss in equity segment. So now let's calculate our loss in equity. So the stop loss points were 10.50. So let me open the calculator. Okay, so 10.50 was our stop loss points and the quantities were 9. So our today's total loss in equity segment is 94.5 rupees. Okay traders, now coming on to our trade in options. Let me open the chart of Bank Nifty. Okay, so here you can see traders that the range which we were expecting was got breakdown, but it has not reached some more level or crossing more points. So we have hit our or triggered our stop loss in 29,000 put, but then also we are in profit. Let me explain you in the Excel sheet. So I am opening my Excel sheet in which we made our paper trade. Okay traders, so it's taking time. There is some technical glitch traders, sorry for that. It's taking time. Okay, so here you can see traders that 29,000 put stop loss was got triggered, but in 29,800 call we made profit. So the loss which we booked in 29,000 put was 425 and the profit in 29,800 call was 1,050. So our net resultant was profit and we made a profit of 625 rupees in option selling. Okay traders, so this is what happens, but we made trade on both sides for call and put, so there was no problem in that. Okay traders, so this was our today's trade traders. Hope you learned something from this video.